everyone, this is Jill with StampWithJill.com, and today I'm sharing with you the Spellbinders Kit and Caboodle Club. I joined the large die club of the month last month, and I liked it so much that I switched and joined to the whole Kit and Caboodle Club. And let me show you what came inside this box. This is actually the back side of the box. The front side looks like this, but when you open it, it comes, their stuff is all wrapped in this white paper, and I've already looked through it like several times, but let's see what you get. You get this whole pile of stuff. So there is lots and lots of goodies in here. So there are several sheets of cardstock. It is actually textured, and there is gold, white, blue, and I believe that's black, so you get several sheets of cardstock. And there is a full roll of gold sparkle washi tape. This is a 6x6 pack of paper. I don't know how many sheets are in here, but oh my, how cute. There's stripes and foiled ornaments, snowflakes, holiday lights, and there's a few sheets of each pattern, so it's perfect for card makers. There is a stack of, I think these are all envelopes. So yes, these are actually, no, they're not all envelopes. So these are envelopes, and then these are white note cards that you can use to make your cards, and they are textured. So you have a whole stack of note cards, and this was wrapped around the note cards and envelopes. All right, so now we're going to get into the good stuff. So here is, this is the small die of the month, which is really, really cute. It has a reindeer and a bunch of sentiments and some treats in there. You get the instruction sheet for the kit of the month with all the contents. You also get the large die of the month, which is so cute because I've been waiting for this tree since the day I ordered it, and there's some other elements in here, and then of course there's instructions on the back. Same thing with the small die, so you get 2 full die sets in here plus all the card making supplies. But then you get a kit exclusive die set, which is, this is a little reindeer face and some elements, and I haven't opened it, so I'm not exactly sure what else is in there. There are die cut shapes. There is words that look like this. They're glitter words. There's self-adhesive stickers that say warm wishes. A whole package of candy dots, and I actually have these from Fun Stamper's Journey. They are fabulous. So that's that. And there's still more. There is a little package of tags, and it looks like some cards. There's a whole stamp set in here. This is the Dear Santa stamp set. It has an ornament, some designs, I also haven't opened it, and some really cute scripty fonts for the holidays. There is 2 packages of chipboard and sentiment stickers. So stinking cute. I just think that this one here and all of these are great. So then there's a little, looks like this is a little thing of foam tape. There is some baker's twine and some foam squares in there. So that's what comes in the whole kit. This kit actually sold out in 6 days. So if you want to get in on next month's kit and get all of these awesome products in one box for the month, then you should go to my website, StampWithJill.com, and click on the Spellbinders banner, because you will be able to order this. I'm popping back in after I've played with my kit for a little bit, and I'd like to show you some of the cards that I made with the pre-printed elements. So these are the pre-cut pieces that came in the Spellbinders kit, and I just wanted to show you how quickly, with a little bit of paper and the pre-cut sentiment, a card can go together. I actually used my own oatmeal cookie card base for this, but can you see that glitter on there? I just added some glitter glue to the top of the house to give it a little bit more dimension. All right, and here's another one. So this one is also made with the pre-die cut pieces, and it has enough of these to make 2 of each of your card. They're called, let's see, I'm looking at the description. It's called a pack of die cut shapes. They are definitely paper, so they are not real stiff. So for this one, I put some Journey Glaze on the van and on the balloons. I'm not sure you can totally see the shine. There you go, in the camera. So there's that one with a little touch of washi tape peeking out. So that is cute. The stickers or the die cut shapes are kind of flat and boring if you leave them plain, but with just a little touch of this one, I put some clear glaze on the poinsettia, and this is the die cut greeting that comes with the card kit. So there's that one, and there's a little bit of glaze on the gold berries for this one. Here is another one, and I mean, there is no stamping on here at all. So for this one, I put some candy dots on the hats, and I just layered up the shapes with the pets and stuck these on with some foam squares and added some glitter to the critters' hats. Alright, for this one, I did actually die cut a leaf. I mean a tree, not a leaf. I die cut the tree out of some white cardstock and just trimmed a piece of printed paper that came in the 6x6 pack, and this was a pre-cut sentiment that I just put on. So I did add some glitter glue to the and some candy dots to the top of the tree, and that one was done. And then here is another one, and this one is just a white card base. The paper from the pack with the snowflakes, same thing for the tree. I die cut the tree. I added a little washi tape for the tree trunk, added a pre-cut star, and put the chipboard sentiment right on the top. So it just took a few minutes for me to get all of these cards completed. So I have 6 cards completed in just a little bit of time for the card kit. So I will be back in another day or two to show you some more projects that I'm making.